Hi, this is Digital Marketing Classroom, and I'm Madhavi, a digital marketing expert. I have been into the digital marketing niche for the past 12 years. So, here I'm going to train you how to do the marketing through digital media. So, it is not just the process, but the technicalities, nuances, and the procedures that you have to follow while doing digital marketing for your products, for your web services, or for your blog, or anything digital medium. So, what is digital marketing? The promotion of products or brands via one or more forms of electronic media. For example, advertising mediums that might be used as part of the digital marketing strategy of a business could include promotional efforts made via the internet, social media, mobile phones, and electronic billboards, as well as via digital and television and radio channels. But here, I'm not including any television or radio channels, but it is all about internet. It is more of internet. So 95 percentage of digital marketing is done over the web for any products, for any services over the web, or even software as a service. So how do we do that, or how to start with? How do we get started with digital marketing? The promotion of products or brands via one or more forms of electronic media. For example, advertising mediums that might be used as part of the digital marketing strategy of a business could include promotional efforts made via the internet, social media, mobile phones, and electronic billboards, as well as via digital and television and radio channels. But here, I'm not including any television or radio channels, but it is all about internet. It is more of internet. So 95 percentage of digital marketing is done over the web for any products, for any services over the web, or even software as a service. So how do we do that, or how to start with? How do we get started with digital marketing? Now I'm going to give you a short introduction on digital marketing. So, how it is done and why it is important, and how and all it will affect any business over the internet. So, let's start with the basic information. What do you do when you are looking onto the web for any kind of information? You do a search over Google, right? So Google is the father of digital marketing these days, or right from the scratch. So how do we do that? What is really important when we are into digital marketing process? The search term. Whatever you are searching for, it is called as search term. That search term is the most important part of digital marketing. So how Google is giving you the results over the web for whatever you are searching. For example, if I'm looking for any gadgets, for example, I'm looking for mobile phones. So how do you search for? Will you search just like that mobile phone? No. You will have something in your mind, or you would have gathered some information about your expectation regarding your mobile phone. Maybe your friend, maybe your cousin, maybe your sister, or maybe your brother, who will have any kind of mobile phones with the brand name, with the features or some specifications, right? So you will just enter, or you will just type mobile phone with brand name, or with specification, or even with camera pixels, right? So that is the important factor when it comes to the search term. So you have to be so sure about the search term that you are looking for, or that you are going to market your website, for example. So it can be a website, it can be a product, it can be a blog, or it can be any service that you are going to market and to provide your customers or clients or consumers, right? So with that, we will get into what is the digital marketing really mean. So how do we start with? Now we will talk about the search term. Search term is very important in terms of digital marketing if you are doing for your website or products or services over the web. Okay, search term. What is search term? Whatever you key in the search bar in the Google or any of the search engines that you use will be your search term. Technically, or in digital marketing terms, search term is nothing but keyword. So what is your keyword? You have to fix your set of keywords or one key phrase exclusively that defines or that denotes your website services or your product or your blog. Accordingly, that keyword or the search term lead to the next processes for your digital marketing. We or you should revolve around that particular keyword or search term. That keyword that keyword plays an important role in defining your digital marketing strategy, your objective. So what is that keyword, and how do you get that keyword into the place for further research and analysis of your marketing objective through digital marketing? So you have so many tools over the internet to get that keywords list. Tools are just merely tools, but finally, how do we analyze as an entrepreneur or a business person? Because you know your business better than anyone else does, right? So for that, we have to have good number of keywords which are relevant and location specific and audience specific. So you have to fix the keywords initially, then the location, then the target group. Target group is nothing but the people who will be looking for your service or website nature or your products. For example, if mobile phones, okay, again I'm taking the mobile phone as an example. So if you are marketing your mobile phone with camera enabled features or specifically camera highlighted features, you may target the teenagers till right from 16 or 17 till 40 to 45, or even you can limit to 35. So that is how your target will be refined and reviewed by you. So you have to fix the target group and the keywords list ready and the location. How we are going to do all these things. We will see all these things step by step, and what are the other important things in digital marketing, especially to start with, once you finalize all these three things in my next video.